Words should make a big difference. Children are just plain wrong, and it should never be said that children are worth supporting. It is so clear we should exploit our children. I know people who say, put children to work, our economy relies on children. There are no excuses like children can be fragile and are valuable. We know that children consume too much and complain too much. You cannot believe children have rights. We must understand children are like a plague on our streets. Some people are afraid of them and say, listen to what they have to say. Children are the future. What? The world is turned upside down by children's rights, by the UNCRC. The United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child changes things.
The United Nations Convention on the Rights of a Child changes things. The world is turned upside down by children's rights, by the UNCRC. What? Children are the future. Listen to what they have to say. Some people are afraid of them and say, children are like a plague on our streets. We must understand children have rights. You cannot believe children consume too much and complain too much. We know that children can be fragile and are valuable. There are no excuses like our economy relies on children, put children to work. I know people who say we should exploit our children. It is so clear that children are worth supporting, and it should never be said children are just plain wrong. Words should make a big difference.